This is a complete beginner guide to selling on Amazon in 2026. So first of all, let's get into any of the browser. For example, I'm going to open my Google browser, let's say, and in here what you're going to search is Amazon.com. Simply search for Amazon. Just like this, search for Amazon.com and it will take you straight to our Amazon website just like this. Then tap on sign in right here. So after tapping on sign in here, you need to remember that you shouldn't be signing up right here, but instead tap on create a free business account right here. And then what you're going to do is enter your email address. So in here, what you're going to do is write in the email address that you officially use for your business. So for example, if you're working, I recommend you guys write your work email address in here. So simply write that down, then tap on get started. Then you can go along with the process of how you can create one. I think there will be the process of adding down your business detail, and in order to finish it up, you need to confirm it. And like that, you'll be able to create your Amazon business account. And through this Amazon business account, you will be able to sell on Amazon in 2026. And that's it.